Okay, great. So again, good morning and thank you for joining me today. So today I would like to walk you through the submission strategy that we have developed at Argentum Consultants. We believe that this strategy plays a key role in maximising chances for obtaining non-dilutive grants from the EU. Before we start, I will say a few words about our company for those of you who don't know us. Argentum specialises in EU research and innovation. The company was established in 1999 and since then has had vast experience and gained expertise in obtaining governmental funding for innovative technology and research and development. We have 30 employees divided into 3 departments: strategy, business development, and a consulting and writing team. Our vision is to target innovative funding opportunities and to enhance participation and success in multinational research and innovation projects. Argentum is aligned with the EU Commission's goals and works closely with NCPs in order to deepen the understanding of EU directives, guidelines, and value chains. It is Argentum's objective to become the leading expert in cooperation between overlapping technological sectors in the EU. The EU's budget for the years 2021 to 2027 is 1.21 trillion euros, and you can see how it is distributed in the donut charts on this slide. 12% single market innovation and digital. 36% is for cohesion, resilience, and values. 33% natural resource and environment. 10% is for other programs, and 9% is for neighbourhood and the world. When a company chooses a grant for submission, they should consider the following criteria. The field. Bottom-up is a call that's open to all fields of technology, whereas top-down would be a specific call that's aligned with the EU's agenda. They should also consider the type of funding mechanism. The European one, supported by the EU, like Horizon Europe. Bilateral, for example, a technological collaboration between 2 countries or a national funding initiative. They should consider the type of application procedure as well, whether the submission is as a single applicant or as part of a collaborative project, a consortium. The choice should be made according to the company's needs and strategy, and while considering the success rate of each opportunity. The abundance of funding opportunities out there can become challenging to navigate because of the complexity that is part of the submission process, in addition to many details and guidelines that every opportunity entails. We have developed a unique method to increase our clients' access to funding while minimizing their efforts. We call this our multi-submission approach, which in a nutshell says submit to one, submit to all. By following this method of submission, our strategists and consultants are able to get a firmer grasp on the activity of your company, especially your technology. This allows us to write better submission proposals because we gain more depth of knowledge. Moreover, as a submitting company, you will have less to work with, be it financially or in terms of manpower, because we will work with your technology and tailor it to fit multiple proposal calls. Lastly, this method immensely raises your chances of winning a grant. In the next 2 slides, I will share with you the tedious process that submissions entail, all of which you will be exempt from because our team does all the hard work for you. The first process to go through is the strategic assessment. This entails extensive preparation of the company that is starting its work with us. This is followed by planning for the submission in terms of preparations of drafts that the company would have to approve of. The third stage is not always a must, and it only takes place when a company is interested in joining a consortium. And the fourth stage is an ongoing procedure wherein our strategic department is always on the lookout for new opportunities that open up, which can suit the company working with us. This slide offers an overview of our proposal preparation process. The initial step starts with a kick-off meeting, which is followed by the work of a strategist, who is in charge of finding proposal calls that are relevant to the activity of your company. This then moves on to the second stage, which is to consolidate a consortium if the programme requires more than one participant. If a consortium is not required, the process goes straight to the coordination, which is done by our development team. And finally, it reaches the consultants who write the proposal and submit it online after the revision of a team leader. It is important to point out that the process is always adaptable, and as a long-term client, we are always on the lookout for new publications that are a suitable match to your company's strategy. Later today, our marketing team will send a follow-up email with a list of questions. Please answer as many of them as you can so we can properly evaluate your company and recommend an appropriate programme for your activity. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for joining me today, and thank you for your time.